And follow me real quick. We're gonna come over here to our oven. We have some beautiful, hot bacon. Let me place this down here real quick. Remove that. Check this out. Bacon. That's bacon right there. Let's grab some. Stick a slice in there. You can find the full recipe at chefclub.tv. Pick that up just like that. Grab this. This here is what we're looking for, nice soft bread. Place it here. Come back and get our butter. And pour. Follow me, we're gonna come this way just a little bit. Get our bread and roll. Roll the dough. Let's go again. Let's get all of our sides covered nicely. Stand it up. Come back to the other side. And move it over right there. Now we're going to go ahead, come back over here. Get yourself a sharp knife and cut a square out. Don't go all the way down because we need a bottom. We're just trying to make a little square here. Once we have that, just take your fingers in there, pull, and with the knife, just kind of cut and roll. Easy, practical. We're gonna go ahead and place this little roll of bread to the side, and we'll use it for another recipe that you can also find on chefclub.tv. In the meantime, we're gonna press this down and the walls. This is gonna help so that it's nice and sturdy. Once we have that done, we're gonna get a little more butter and we're gonna pour it in here. Just like this. Okay, once that's done, grab that, move it around, get your edges all the way, let that soak in beautifully. Grab yourself a tortilla and we place it on top. Why, you ask? For our next step, follow the corners as a guide. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and go like this to make a nice little wall on the inside. Get these folded in nicely. We're going to come back one more time with the butter. As they say, butter makes everything better. I'll let you be the judge of that. As for me, I agree. Just get our edges all the way inside and our outside. One time. We put this to the side. Come over here. Follow me quickly. We got some ricotta. We're gonna air it out for you, fluff it up. This is gonna help us obtain some super extra fluffy eggs. Put that down. Grab this, put it to the side. You can find these collectibles. Just ask me in the comments. I'll let you know where you can find them. Get some eggs. drop them in. Got 4 eggs in there. We come with our ricotta and we place it in with the eggs. Got some Chefclub spice mix here. Go ahead and put some in there. If you're wondering where you can find these, ask in the comments. Get a little salt and pepper. We get our blender, little mixer. And to help this, we're going to go ahead and open up with our fingers and mix. Again, we are going for the fluffiest eggs possible. So make sure you get a good mix. I'm trying to get that one in the corner. It's coming. There it goes. All right. We can turn this off now. Place it to the side. Let's clean up here a little bit. Okay. Now, here comes a good part. Bacon. We got bacon, and let's go for a little more. We're gonna go ahead and grab some cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar. Place it all in there. We do want these to be extra cheesy, so do not be stingy with the cheese. Cheese it up. Get a little fresh parsley. And we place this along with our other loaf. We move on. Come back with our last step here. We have bacon, potatoes, and some more cheddar. Nice boiled potatoes. Go ahead and cut them. Nice, pretty slices. We grab our slices and we place them on the bacon. We're going to leave the ends for something else at the very end. Go ahead and place that there. Get yourself some more salt and pepper. Sprinkle that. Cheese slices, cheddar cheese. Scoot these over just a bit. Grab a glass, place it right there, and we simply roll, roll, and roll. Get to the end. A couple toothpicks. We're just going to secure the ends of these so that they stay closed. Just like that, and like that. Grab that and slide it off. We're going to come back with some more cheddar, and as I said before, we're going to put the ends on the bottom. And fill it up. Tiny bit more parsley. And we join the others right there, and it is off to the oven. Let's grab this quickly. And what we've done for you guys to save y'all some time, we prepared the same thing. So if you follow these steps, you'll get these results. They went in for 20 minutes, and for the last 10 minutes after that we covered them up so that we would get a nice crust without them burning. So what are we going to do now? We're going to go ahead and come here and cut this. grab a piece. And try it out.